Coding in Scratch. The purpose of this demonstration is to give you an idea of what is possible when you use code in Scratch. So let's have a look at what's on screen at the moment. Down the right hand side, you usually include some instructions on how to start the video or the little project. So my one says when you click on the green flag, then that starts the lesson. Then underneath, you pay tribute to where you sourced your resources from and acknowledge different graphics, and if you used someone else's code and you've modified that code, then you need to acknowledge that as well. So notes and credits. So I'll just scroll through quickly of all the notes and credits that I have in my project. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate what the project looks like for the end user. So the end user would come here and push the green flag. From this point on, everything that's happening on screen is controlled by the code that I created in this project. So this project is aimed at people who are starting out learning Japanese or want to review Japanese. What you see on screen is the Romaji, which is the English alphabetical characters, and we haven't launched into the Japanese characters yet. So it's just going through numbers 1 to 10. Then the end user has a choice of reviewing the Romaji for numbers 1 to 10 or next. So we're going to click next. And then I've introduced a game. So it's a little math addition. So you see up the top there's a counter, so we're going to try and keep that 10. And then we're going to answer what is hachi plus ni. And then you type your answer down in the box here. And then you can either push tick or enter. Each time it's correct, then this comes closer to the fountain. Ichi plus san. Go plus yon. Nana and roku. Q plus yon. Ni plus ni. San plus san. Roku plus roku. And nana plus go. Roku and hachi. And this will be the last answer. If I answered incorrectly, then this pipe would start again. So the reward at the end, we've fed the fish grows, all controlled by code. We've achieved our goal of staying within the 10. Now we're moving on to having a look at Japanese scripts. So we're asking Meiko's grandfather to come forward and he will tell the story. So this may be the person's first look at kanji. And this may be their first look at hiragana. So the last script is katakana. As you can see, Japanese have 3 written scripts. So now I've done some code to demonstrate how to write the Japanese characters, and there's a specific stroke order. So I've made sure that when I demonstrate using code that I follow that strict stroke order as well. So this is going to run through the numbers 1 to 10. Meiko says the numbers in Japanese, and Tane says it in English. So I'm going to pause my video, and when we come back this will be the end of the kanji for up to 10, and then we'll move through what else have I done in this little project. So this is the last character for 10. They've got an option of reviewing or next, so we'll push next. Then I've introduced another game just to cement that learning of the kanji characters. So I'll just show you a quick demonstration of this. So again, we've got a score counter, and Tane's explaining you just need to match when you see the kanji in this area here, you match, so what number is that? I've done code for a correct answer and an incorrect answer. So I'll quickly demonstrate. So what happens if I choose the wrong answer? So just a script, try again. So let's have a look if that's correct. And you'll see it's counting, and then I've done code. So once we do a correct answer, then change it to another kanji. These appear randomly, so the person who wants to learn the kanji, they're not learning it in any specific order now. It's going to come up randomly. So I'll just do a couple of more demonstrations, as you can see. So I'm going to pause the video and then I'll show you what happens after this. So at the end of this revision game or consolidation game, the score comes up to 30, and I've made a code when it reaches 30, then stop the game. They can replay the game if they wish to help consolidation, or they can go on to the next game. So all of these characters and the numbers are placed randomly, and I've made a code that it has to fall onto a white space. So as you can see, it's busily trying to find a white space. And then you match the numbers with the kanji. So I'll quickly demonstrate of a correct answer and an incorrect answer. So let's say we're looking for 6 and I do the wrong one. So the code just says it was incorrect. So the right one, the cards disappear. So the idea is to have no more cards on the screen. So I'll just quickly demonstrate this. And then you do a code to end the lesson. And that's the demonstration, quick demonstration of how you can use code in Scratch. Thank you for watching.